If you're looking to boost your health and enhance your energy levels, one of the best things you can do is incorporate more superfoods into your diet. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and help combat various health issues. Here's a list of the top 10 superfoods you should add to your diet today. 1. Kale. Kale is often considered the king of leafy greens. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. Kale is also packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect the body from oxidative stress. Add it to salads, smoothies, or saute it with garlic for a nutrient-packed side dish. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are small but mighty when it comes to health benefits. Packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, these tiny berries help protect against heart disease, boost brain function, and reduce the risk of certain cancers. Enjoy them in smoothies, yogurt bowls, or just as a snack. 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny, but they're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. These little seeds can help regulate digestion, support heart health, and keep you feeling full longer. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or make chia pudding for a healthy dessert. 4. Avocados. Avocados are a rich source of healthy monounsaturated fats that promote heart health. They also contain high levels of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Use them in salads, on toast, or blend them into smoothies for a creamy texture. 5. Salmon is a fatty fish packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for reducing inflammation and improving heart health. It's also a rich source of high-quality protein and vitamin D. Enjoy grilled or baked salmon with a side of vegetables for a healthy and satisfying meal. 6. Quinoa. Quinoa is a whole grain that's high in protein, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium and iron. It's a great substitute for rice or pasta, and it can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to breakfast bowls. It's also gluten-free, making it a great option for those with gluten sensitivities. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Adding turmeric to your diet can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve brain function, and support joint health. Add it to curries, smoothies, or even golden milk for a warming treat. 8. Spinach is another leafy green that should be part of your daily diet. It's low in calories and high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and folate. Spinach is great for boosting immune health, improving skin health, and supporting healthy digestion. Toss it in salads, soups, or smoothies for a quick nutrient boost. 9. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, etc. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They are excellent for improving heart health, managing blood sugar levels, and promoting brain function. Keep a handful of nuts as a snack, or add them to salads, oatmeal, or yogurt for a crunchy, satisfying addition. 10. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. They help support eye health, boost immune function, and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Roast them, mash them, or use them in soups and stews for a delicious, nutritious dish. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, from improved brain function to enhanced heart health and stronger immune systems. The best part is that they're delicious, versatile, and easy to add to your daily meals. So why not start adding these nutrient-packed foods today for a healthier tomorrow?